Hey, and namaste. I'm Zay with Xude Yoga, and today we are tapping into a yoga flow to take up space in the world. Now, this practice is here when you need to remind yourself to play big. And when you walk into a room and feel small, spread your light, shine your light, pull your shoulders back and relax. You got this. You are powerful. So let me know how this practice has helped you, and feel free to leave some suggestions for future practices as well. Let's get into the flow. Let's begin this practice by grounding into the space, coming into a child's pose, separating the knees, bringing the toes together. Maybe even extending the arms out in front of you. Deep inhales through the nose. Deep exhales, release. You can gently rest the third eye on the earth. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale. Inhale, rolling into a cobra. And exhale, externally rotating the shoulders, bringing the top of the head upward, sinking the hips closer towards the surface. Folding the toes, pressing back into a downward facing dog. Moving the body however you need to, however you would like. And slowly beginning to walk the feet in between the hands, coming into a forward fold. Inhale, rolling the body up. And coming into a slight back bend. Inhale, coming up into an exhale fold. Maybe gripping onto the elbows, allowing the top of the head to hang heavy towards the mat. Can also do gentle twists to the left and to the right. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Planting the hands, stepping back, lowering the knees, and coming into our stomachs. Lowering the knees and cobra. Pressing back into a fold. Lowering the knees and cobra. Folding the toes, pressing into a downward facing dog. Maybe challenging yourself this time, taking the right hand, gripping onto the inside of the left ankle as you twist, bringing the gaze towards the left pit of the arm. With each exhale, imagining your energy expanding and extending throughout. And release. Bringing the left hand to the inside of the right ankle as you twist. Gaze comes to the right elbow. And release. Pedaling out the knees. On an inhale, we're going to bring the right knee in towards the chest, pointing the toes, curling the spine. Exhale, kicking up. Maybe even coming into a wild thing, bringing the right leg around. The right arm extends. Coming onto the left heel and the right toes. And coming back. Stepping the right foot in between the hands. Coming into a lunge, bringing the arms above the shoulders. Palms come together, bringing the left elbow to the outside of the left knee, pressing into the palms and twisting. To challenge yourself a bit further, you can come into a bind. And release, bringing the hands to the side. And straightening out the right leg, maybe turning the left foot and folding. And pointing the toes forward, coming into a fold. You can grip onto the elbows, or you can grip onto the ankles. Inhale, rolling gently, slowly, sliding the hands down the back of the thighs, coming into a back bend. Inhale, coming back up. You can sway from the left to the right. You can also bring the arms above the shoulders, creating circles with the shoulders and the hips. And reverse. Bringing the fingertips to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Center to the left. Inhale, center, and to the right. Inhale, coming back to center. We're going to turn back, placing the hands down, stepping the left foot in between the hands and folding. You can grip onto the bottoms of the feet, drawing the shoulders back and pulling, or you can allow the top of the head and shoulders to relax by gripping onto the elbows. And inhale. Slowly rolling the body up, coming into a slight back bend. Inhale and fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, planting the hands. Stepping both feet back, bringing the knees down, coming into a cobra. Folding the toes, pressing back into a downward facing dog, moving however you would like. This time, bringing the left knee in towards the chest, curling the spine. And exhale, kicking the left foot up. Doing a wild thing on this side, coming onto the right heel, the left toes. Looking back and extending, feeling your energy expand. Taking up space in this moment, wherever you are. And coming back, stepping the left foot in between the palms, coming into a lunge. Raising the arms. Placing the palms together, bringing the right elbow to the outside of the right knee as you press and twist. can also bind. And exhale, release, straightening out the left leg and folding. Turning the left toes and folding forward. You can grip onto the elbows. If it's in your practice, you can also come into a headstand. Slowly inhale, rolling the body up. Could come into a slight back bend once more. And exhale, moving out the spine, swaying, moving the hips. Wherever you are, allowing your energy to fill up this space. Shining your light. If you make people feel uncomfortable, let them be uncomfortable. This is your practice. This is your flow. You can fold, bring the hands to the mat, and stretching the hips by bending the knees and swaying from left to right, being gentle. All right, and rolling the body back up. Stepping to the front of your mat. Woo! And moving the wrists. Moving the hips. And we're gonna meet in the center of the mat to come into our last pose. We're gonna come into an eagle pose. You can modify this pose however you would like. First, let's inhale, bring the arms above the shoulders. Exhale, lower. Imagine yourself being an eagle with wings expanding. Inhale. Exhale, allowing yourself to fly and to soar. Inhale. We're going to interlace the fingers. Stepping the left foot out. We're going to bring the hands to the side, placing the left arm underneath the right and wrapping the arms around. We're going to take the left leg, bring it on top of the right. You can stay here and bend the knees if it's in your practice, wrapping the left leg around the right. Bringing the elbows upward, parallel with the shoulders. Sink. If you fall out, get back in. You got this. Keep going. Sink. And unravel. Good job. Moving out the hips, the shoulders, the wrists. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. It's like an eagle with wings. Inhale, bringing the arms above the shoulders. Exhale, lower. Inhale, bringing the arms above the shoulders, expanding your energy and extending. Exhale. We're gonna bring the right leg out. This time, bringing the right arm underneath the left. Wrapping the arms around. We're going to bring the right leg over the left. And if it's in your practice, wrapping it all the way around. Bringing the hands up, the elbows upward as well. Sinking the hips, tucking the hips forward. You got this. Sink deeper. Deeper, deeper. and release. Oh, wow. You can take the next 5 to 10 minutes to flow however you would like, however you need to. You can do some more folds. You can do some hip openers, maybe some balancing asanas. I'm going to suggest a video for you to continue flowing above. Thank you so much for tuning in. And whenever you're ready, let's come into a child's pose or lie on our backs in Savasana. Or you can come into a comfortable seat of your choice. Let's end this practice by taking deep inhales through the nose and deep exhales out of the mouth. As we inhale, taking in all the energy and power that we need to thrive. And as you exhale, take up space. One deep inhale through the nose. Exhale, let your light expand. Thank you so much for tuning in, for sharing space. Until next time, namaste.